Alright guys, we turn the lights off. So, alright. We're going to turn it off just to read this. So you got catch me, light show, follow me, chase me, play music, multiplayer, volume, remember me. So we select play music. Alright, so let's do volume. Alright, let's try Remember Me. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're reviewing this Magic Cube game. So I'm pretty excited. You got Remember Me, Follow Me, and Catch Me. So let's go ahead, pop this open, and see what it looks like. Test it out for y'all. Alright, so this is it. I'm guessing, yeah, so don't think they got batteries in here. So over here, you take a screwdriver right here. Let's open that up and put batteries in. And we see it takes 3 AAA batteries.
Remember me. Highest score, 0. Ready? Go! Yellow, blue, blue. Ready? Yellow, blue, blue.
So you set it down like this, okay. And
Yellow, blue, blue, blue. Ready? Yellow, blue, blue, blue.
pretty cool, guys.
Yellow,
It's a lot of fun.
blue, blue, red. Ready?
So yeah, you got to be careful that you don't accidentally press the other buttons. So having it, setting it down like this and like holding it like this at the sides is better. Let's do light show. So there's light show. It's pretty cool, guys. So overall, this is actually really neat. I do like this. It's actually fun. You just gotta hold it. So what are we doing? Follow me. What's that? So they do have a manual to tell you how to play the games. Overall, it's nice. So let's see. All right, follow me. So what? Like, how do we follow? I'll have to read. Yeah, I'll have to read up on it, but guys, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take it over to my family.